Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will give you a short plant tour today. It is very cloudy, it's gonna rain I think. So before the rain destroys everything, I would like to show you what I have. This is Coreopsis. Look at the beautiful Coreopsis flowers. They're amazing. This is the easiest plant you can grow in the garden. They're the most easy plant. And they bloom a lot. Look at that. And here I have geranium. I love geranium. Here's another one. Here is another color. This is a great color. I love geranium leaves. They look great and they smell great. This year I have great rose. Here's a rose. It's an orange rose. And here two roses. Roses are doing nice. Look, another bud. Roses are doing fine. Here is a beautiful rose. Look at this one. Look at the structure of the rose. This is great. This rose looks really great. Here is another rose. This plant is really nice. Look at that. Here I have another dahlia. This one is a great dahlia too. The color is amazing. Look at the size and the color of the dahlia. Lots of buds. And this is Mallow or Malva sylvestris. Let me show you my blue flower. Look at the blue flowers. This is cornflower. Isn't this a lovely color? And here I have this is commonly called cherry gold. We all know this. Look at this rose. Oh my god. Look at so many flowers. Here is another bunch. Just this rose blooms so much. Just look at so much. So much. This is Rose Sadabahar. This one has 1000 flowers. Everywhere it's just filled and they look really nice. The structure of the flower is very good. The color is light pink and look at the bunch. Look at the bunch. Here I have another rose. This is white and pinkish. This is a really nice rose. This one has great fragrance. Look at the hollyhocks. The hollyhock is 100 feet tall. Hollyhocks are great. And they're in a small container, look. 8-inch container. And this is stock. Look at the stock. Here's another stalk. Stalk bloomed a lot. Here it is. Stalks bloom really well. This is the mini dahlia. No, this is a pom-pom dahlia. And this is the yellow dahlia. It's fading, but still buds are coming. And this is helichrysum or plastic flower. Here, let me show you. The flowers are like plastic. Poppy, red poppy. So today is cloudy, so the gazanias are not showing, but this one is really nice. The gerberas are just starting to flower. Look at the snapdragons. Here is my impatiens. Look, lovely. Impatiens, there's the white and pink one. This is the deep pink one. Impatiens, just fine. This is plumbago, blue flower. This one blooms all year long. And look at the color. This is Dianthus Sweet Williams. Look at the bunch. Really great plant. Sweet scent. And of course, phlox. Isn't this rose fantastic? So that is it. This is how the garden looks like. I just wanted to show you. It's not that great. Really small space. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. I'll see you next time. Bye.